ignition coils because these are dusty. First time I did this with the beater is that I lost the firing order and it was trash. Just like the beater with 360K. Today I'm going to be changing these stock lights from the climate control and adding these LEDs in there. Alright. Just gonna jiggle it off. Okay. Think I can make it work. Okay. Center console removed. So the lights that I'm going to be replacing are 1, 2, 3. Start it up. I didn't have a flathead that fit the slot, so I used my switchblade. So I just used the tip of this to turn it just a little bit. Literally, that's all it is. New LEDs. Into the slot. Now it's really hard to just drop them in there like straight down. You want to be very careful when you're doing this. Damn! It's really hard to get that sucker in there, yo. Okay, so fast forward, the new LEDs are in here, but I just want to make sure they're nice and snug inside. Little light bulbs can just slip out. Tweaking them a little, making sure they're in the right direction. There is a positive and a negative, and I'll get to that in a sec. Damn! Oh great. Jesus Christ. On how to know if they're in there, just do this. You got 1, 2, and then 3. Are they already installed? Okay. Start with the green first. Put that snap, so you know what's in there. Brown. Snap. And then these are the most painful ones to get. Alright guys, the moment of truth. The new climate control LED lights. Y'all ready for this? Very nice. The LEDs are in. They're like a crystal blue. They pop. They pop, most definitely. Now they match my little touch screen right here. The buttons down here are all like crystal blue. Now these are matching with this. It looks nice. It really looks nice, and it really makes a big difference when you change interior wise, like light bulbs to LEDs. Big difference. It just makes the car look better. It makes it feel better. I don't know, it just looks good. Now I'm pretty much just gonna do the entire interior, so I'll be right back. These are looking really clean. These are really clean. It just makes the car look way better. I'm telling you. There's a shot over there. Have to get rid of them old mats, oil stains and stuff, you know? I just finished installing the LED lights for the interior. Oh, look at this bright ass light in here. Okay, LED lights, climate control LED lights, ignition coils, moving floor mats. It's amazing, you know, just the little things like that make the car just feel and just look better. I have big plans for this car in the future. Don't want to go too overboard just yet, so I'm doing just the small things, you know. It really helps make the car feel like it's mine, you know what I'm saying? So it's just overall, it's a good feeling. Exterior wise, I'm gonna, you know, buff it out, probably take it to a paint shop, get it resprayed, you know, all that good stuff. I think the next thing, I'm probably gonna bag it. If you guys want to see bags on the CG6, let me know in the comments below right now. Our bags are coming real soon. And last but not least, you know, who knows, maybe a motor swap. Any ideas to what I should do to this car, feel free to comment down below. I don't know, it's just something about these 90s Hondas that, you know, just make me feel at home. Other than that, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.